Hi guys. Let's see what is the easiest way of highlight address bar from the browser in Windows 10 computer. First you need to go to the browser. Then search something or go to a website. Previously you select the address bar like this. And it is sometimes get difficult. So you can do it in a simple keyboard shortcut. Go to the website or page where you need to highlight address bar. Then press F6 from your keyboard. Here you can see the address bar got highlight. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.